Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain you how to find Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet means these are the three values which satisfies Pythagoras theorem. For example, I have been given 14 and only one value will be given to us and we will be asked to find the other two so that all the three forms Pythagorean triplet. So forming Pythagorean triplet means satisfying the Pythagoras theorem, that is if 14 is any one of the side, then square of hypotenuse should be equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. So this is, we know, perpendicular, this is base. So in that way we have to find the values of the other two sides of the right triangle. So one value is given to us and always one value will be given to us and we will be asked to find Pythagorean triplet. So what we have to do, we just have to follow 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. This we have to follow, using which we will be able to find the other two values. So first work we have to do is we have to equate this given value with 2m. So 2m is equal to 14, which gives us m is equal to 14 upon 2, which is 7. So now as we have got value of 7 as m, we just have to equate it here. So when we equate this value in m square minus 1 expression, what do we get? 7 square minus 1, which is 49, minus 1, which is 48. Similarly, put this value of 7 in m square plus 1. So m square plus 1 gives us 7 square plus 1, which is equal to 49 plus 1, which is 50. Okay, so this value of m square plus 1, m square minus 1, which is 48 and 50, and the value of 2m, which is 14, forms the Pythagorean triplet. This is called Pythagorean triplet. So the answer is 14, 48 and 50 forms the Pythagorean triplet. We can even check our answer, that if the values obtained are correct or not. And we don't have to do it in the answer portion of the question. It is just for our satisfaction that the values obtained are correct. So obviously the largest value will be the hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse is 50. Hypotenuse is 50 and we can take 48 as base or perpendicular, anything, any of the one we can assume. So let us take perpendicular is 14. And what do we know about the Pythagoras theorem and why it is called Pythagorean triplet? Because it is the sides of the right angled triangle. So it must satisfy square of one side is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, so we can easily check. Hypotenuse is 50 square, which is 2500, and when we solve this separately, what do we get? P square means 14 square plus 48 square. If we do, this will come out to be 2500. This can be checked by yourself. So this is how we can find Pythagorean triplet. So 2m is 14. 14 is to be taken, not the value of m, which is 7. This should not be taken. We have to take value of 2m as part of Pythagorean triplet. In my previous video, I have explained finding Pythagorean triplet in another method, which can also be referred, and this is also one way of finding out this triplet. Thank you and have a nice day.